Good morning. Happymodel has been coming out with excellent whoops, and today we're going to take a look at the latest two, the Moblite6 and the Moblite7. First up is the Moblite6. So, what do we have here? You have a screwdriver, a prop remover, extra props, and rubber bands. And stickers. A quick start guide. 2 extra batteries. An extra frame. And we have the Moblite6 itself. The frame is the usual Happymodel 65mm frame. We have a 3D printed zip tie style camera holder. The props are Gemfan 31mm tri-blades. And the motors are the new Unibel EX0802 19,000 kV motors. The camera is the Rancam Nano 3. The FC is the new Diamond F4, which is both smaller and lighter than the Crazy Bee F4. We have a VTX antenna here. It seems to be about 12.9mm long, which is the correct length. And we have an IPEX4 connector for the receiver antenna, which allows the antenna to extend away from the FC. At the bottom, we have the camera connector and the USB port to the side. There are no motor connectors. The motors are direct soldered. Then we have the boot button, and I suppose that's the bind button. And it seems there's a provision for an external RX. So that's R1, inverted R1, ground, and 5 volts. The battery connector is a solid pin JST-PH. This is 1S only. Now let's take a look at the Moblite7. So we have the same stuff, stickers, a screwdriver, extra props, prop remover, extra screws, and the quick start guide. We also have extra batteries from Alien Model. And a USB charger. I think I missed the one from the Moblite6. We have an extra frame and the Moblite7 itself. It has the older Mobile 7 version 2 frame, which is lighter than the version 3 frame. It also has the zip tie style camera holder. It has HQ prop 40mm bi-blades. And it has a rather aggressive pitch to it. And we have the same Unibel EX0802 19,000 kV motors. The camera is also the Rancam Nano 3. So also the same FC, same VTX antenna, and same receiver antenna. The bottom is likewise similar, except for the battery bay, which is transverse mounted. So it goes something like this. Let's weigh them. So the Moblite6 is 18.4 grams, which is definitely lighter than the 19.7 grams of the Mobile 6. The Moblite7 is 20 grams, which is similar to the 19.7 grams of the Mobile 6. But this is a 75mm whoop. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the Moblite6 and Moblite7. I definitely like Happymodel's emphasis on minimalism and performance. It looks like they have another winner or two. Thank you for watching.